Today we're at Disney's California Adventure and we're gonna be searching high and low for the secret cocktail menu all over the park. Thanks for hanging out with us. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, double bump that bell. Make sure you're notified every single time we're at another place in the world doing another crazy adventure like here at Disneyland's California Adventure. Drinking and driving. Okay, everybody, we're about to go on the Cars ride, and it's the only place that I recommend or I'm okay with you drinking and driving. Cheers.
3, 2, 1.
Winner!
Cheers.
You got clear, Central!
Alright guys, we're standing outside the Pim Tasting Lounge and we're gonna grab a cocktail inside. If you don't want to wait in line, you can actually order your drinks right from the Disney app and they'll be ready in about 10 minutes. But as you can see, there's not much of a line, so we're just gonna head in and get it right now. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Can we get 1 honey buzz and 1 particle fizz, please?
All right, we got our drinks. I got the honey buzz right here. It's a gin, honey, lemonade cocktail. Bee's knees, basically, in a very fancy glass. And the particle fizz. Mine is garnished with a honey straw, but you can't sip through it, so it's just a honey candy. First taste. Cheers. I didn't like that face.
Not my favorite.
Super honey, very, very sweet. Can't really taste the gin. Really hidden in there. Yeah, drinkable. I will drink it. Not my favorite. Tell me a little bit about your drink. That looks really cool. What is that at the bottom? Good or no? So after a few drinks of this concoction right here, I have to admit, still not impressed. Something about pre-batch cocktails, even at an amusement park, it just doesn't sit well with me. It's very syrupy, very sugary, and I was hoping after a couple swigs, I was gonna be into it. I'm not. Guys, I don't like wasting any alcohol, but it was unsatisfactory. There's gotta be something better here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Right now we're waiting in line at the Lamplight Lounge. If you don't have a reservation, just make sure that you make a reservation, because even though the place looks empty, they're not letting any more people in and we can only get walk-up service cocktails to go. So that's kind of a bummer. But we are going to get a cocktail, probably a shot with that cocktail, right? Losing my patience, but I gotta try the drinks. Make a reservation if you come here. Right next to the Pixar Pier. Okay, so that's where you're gonna find this bar right here. May I also get a final with a fix as well? Do you mind, can I ask you to put it in a glass so I can take a photo of it and then I'll put it into it to go? Thank you. late. I finally got a cocktail at the bar, and I asked them to put them in a regular glass instead of a to-go glass, and they did. Let's try it out. This is actually really tasty. Lamplight Lounge. Left with, I got a shot and a drink to go. What you got over there, babe?
Black Pearl.
Black Pearl. So raspberry Long Island, basically. So after about 50 minutes, what was your experience like at that bar?
Great.
Where are we going?
Disneyland.
All right, let's go see if the happiest place on earth can actually create a fantastic cocktail. I will let you know. All right, guys, so I have to confess something. After the situation that we had at California Adventure, I needed a little bit of quality in my life. So we stopped by this restaurant, Naples, right outside Disneyland at California Adventure, and got a flight of 3 different types of rum, JM rum, Zaya rum, and Smith & Cross rum, and a flight of Moscow mules.
This is the Naples mule. It has blood orange in it. This is Sicilian mule.
Cheers. Don't spill it.
You spilled it.
We're going to enjoy this. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you next time.